3D pop-out effect in Canva. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a nice 3D pop-out effect like this in Canva, where a car pops out of a smartphone. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here I have a new design open up in Canva with a Facebook post landscape size. So I'm just going to add a shape which I will be converting to my background. So I'm going to scale the shape to fit my design Canva. I'm going to change the color to a gradient color so that we can have that nice look we had in the first image I showed you at the beginning of this video. So now we have our background set up. The next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and search for the mobile phone and the car. So I have this website where you can get nice PNGs with a realistic look as a result of shadows that comes along with it. So let's head up to pngwing.com. Then we want to search for cars. So now we are going to keep scrolling up to look for a similar car or the same one if possible. Okay, I can see this black one. Let's keep going if we can find something better. Okay, I think, yeah, nice. So here we've got the car like the one I used in the design I showed you at the beginning of this video. So I'm just going to click on it, then click on download PNG. You're going to find the download in your download file. I already have mine in my download file. I'm going to go back to the top and search for smartphone cellular network. Smartphone cellular network. Nice. So we have the particular phone we use. I prefer this phone over this because of the shadow, realistic shadow at the back of it. It's going to give our design a more realistic look. So we are going to click on that particular phone and also download it. So now we have it downloaded in our file. So we have to head back to our design in Canva. So we are going to go to uploads. Under upload, you are going to click on upload files. We're going to go to download. So here we have our two images we just downloaded, which is the car and the smartphone. So I'm going to hold down shift to select both of them and click on open. We have our file loading up. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add our mobile phone. Click on it for it to appear on your Canva. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. So I'm going to head up to the top, the side where you have the edit photo, and click on flip. I'm going to flip horizontally. Yes. So now I'm going to add my car. Click on it. So now, yeah, try to position it. Watch, I want to position it in a way that seems as if part of it was cut. So I'm going to crop it a bit. Nice and easy. Yeah, so somewhere around, yeah, nice. So now I'm going to drag it closer to the smartphone. If you watch, there's still a part of it bleeding out. So what you want to do next is you want to rotate it to blend with the edge of the phone. So nice and easy. Adjust. So now I'm going to hold down shift to select both and rotate it a bit. Nice. So now you are going to look at it as if the car is popping out from the phone. Now we have our design ready. Let's increase the size a bit. And there you go. Here's your pop-out effect. We have come to the end of this video. If you learned something new, click on the like and share buttons to share to your friend. And if you also want to learn more design tricks and tips like this in Canva, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you can get notified whenever I post new content like this.